In this video, you'll learn how to find Microsoft Copilot through your myVCC account. Copilot is an artificial intelligence tool which you have access to as a VCC student. To learn more about generative artificial intelligence, see VCC Libraries Gen AI Guide, which is linked in the description of this video. If you're using AI for an assignment, make sure you follow the rules set by your instructor. Okay, let's get started. Open any internet browser like Safari, Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. Navigate to myVCC.ca. Enter your VCC email address, which is your student number, at student.vcc.ca, and click Next. Enter your password and click Sign In. You will have to use multi-factor authentication. If you have not set up your MFA, do that now. See our video tutorial for help. The link is in the description of this video. When you have signed in to myVCC, you will see your student myVCC dashboard. Click the green tile labeled Email. This will open up Microsoft 365, which includes lots of Microsoft apps like Outlook, Word, and of course Copilot. As you can see, the M365 Copilot chat has opened up right away. I can find other M365 apps like Outlook or Word by clicking Apps. I can return to Copilot by clicking Chat. Notice the green shield at the top right-hand corner of the screen. This icon indicates that enterprise data protection applies to this chat. When you access Copilot through your myVCC account, your data is more secure. But as with any AI tool, only enter low-risk data. Avoid entering any private or personal information about yourself or others. Now I'm ready to start using Copilot. Type your prompt into the box and press Enter or click the blue arrow. Copilot saves your past conversations. Find them on the left-hand side of the screen. Click the ... or the More icon to rename or delete a conversation. For more help with Microsoft Copilot, check out our other videos in this series. And to learn more about using Copilot and other generative AI tools responsibly as a student, find the library's Generative AI LibGuide linked in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.